This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda.emanuel. With no HOA. This home offers the current trends in home design, including an open floor plan. As natural light fills this home, the open floor plan is great for daily living and entertaining. With ample space throughout and deep closet, the owner's ensuite is the perfect place to relax and unwind. The oversized mudroom area is such a bonus. With a large yard, 1 acre in size, you can create and design your outdoor living space to fit your needs. Less than 20 minutes to the Surry Ferry or to Smithfield. For more information, review the details below.